This is a fundamentally new thing that has never ever been seen in history before, like things like social networks. This is a new type of interconnectedness between people. Let's say before you used to copy your friends, and your friends were your neighbors and the people who live next door. Now your friend maybe it's a person from the other continent, and you may never seen this person before. Let's say you have established, or you have seen him only briefly. So this is an interesting aspect, and it's not clear whether whatever was established before for a usual like person-to-person, friend-to-friend copying actually applies here in this setting. And this setting is a fundamentally different scale.
We chose a particular context, a niche social music listening social network. It's called Last.fm. And this is a visible social network, so you can see who's friends with whom. And the interesting thing about these networks, Last.fm, Spotify, even LinkedIn actually, all of them run on what's called the freemium business model. So most of the users go there for free, but some of them can pay a few dollars a month and get access to premium services. And so our question, was, do friends influence other friends of theirs to actually pay for subscription? And if that could be established in a rigorous scientific, causal manner, then we have some sort of hope about, whether one, there is sort of peer influence at play, and two, is there a business model for businesses like this? We found a pretty significant effect of peer influence being present and at play in the general population of users. So that's the beauty about this experiment. We can draw inferences about the average user out there.
Even the average 1,000 people were able to induce 50% increase in adoption rates. These are average. We didn't target influential people. These are by design the average Joe from the network out of millions of users. And they were able to increase. So what would happen if we target influentials? What would happen otherwise? This is not answered yet, but that's very interesting to see.